So as you can see, this is a Kenny Roberts Replica LC350. It's got a genuine 4,887 miles on the clock. This bike has had absolutely everything done to it from top to bottom. Repowder coated frame. The bike's been completely stripped down. Cranks, barrels, everything's been done to this bike. Powder coated wheels. It's had a fantastic paint job from Arnie. Brilliant paint job. All this is actually hand done, it's not stickers. We've got the fork brace on it. We've also got the belly pack. We've got the rad guard, and we've got the rear sets, and obviously the main thing for me is the all-speed exhaust. This bike isn't even running yet. Since it's been done, it's probably done about 70 miles, and that's been done in stages of 20-25 miles, just nice and gentle. I brought it into work this morning for people to have a look at, and it's an absolute peach to ride. I was about 9 miles to get here, less than that, probably about 7 miles, and actually by the time I'd done about 30 miles on it. Once it's warm, it's absolutely fantastic to ride. Why don't you come down and have a look at it? They're the type of bikes that we've got here, and we'd welcome you down to come and have a look at the rest of our stuff. Thanks very much.